civilians, I'm playing Airplane 3. In this video, I will edit some music and stuff since Airplane 3 got some copyrighted music too. I'ma do this by myself, BTW. Great, a random girl game. Skip time. We are here now. Who is this man? Why is he just staring at the door? Wake up! How is bro still alive? Haha, I'm on the table. Hey, I wonder if I could hit my head on that plane. Dang, finally. That took you so long to say something. Oh no, we just came to the door. Okay, skip. Ronald McDonald. Bro is still yapping. But how will we get to the plane? No, skip. Since when there is a cave, but it's not even a cave. A green military suit. I look awesome. Akajin. Then maybe you'd be ready if we came. Skip. It was an illusion. I hate you, Noli. Final piece. A teddy bear. Cool. Hey, I saw nitrogen monoxide gushing. Is your choice? Yay, free teddy bear. Since when there's a door? Oh no, SKIP. Yo, glasses man, I got teddy bear. Banana. I already ate it. Wait, what? Poison. Prank. Okay, die. See, that's what you get for pranking me. dinosaur bag. What the? Your bag? I get it right. It's still stormy. I can stop the fingers getting literally fire. You're gonna die. This is why I shouldn't trust you. That skeleton could control my screen. No. That random skeleton kept controlling my recording camera, and it broke. That glasses dude gave me a new recording camera. He covered the door. How did he board at the door there if he's on a different side? Why is there muffled sounds? Okay, babe, I say skip. Okay, go, go, go. Bro, hurry. Stop tying your shoe. It's too much. Where is the last guy? You. Hey, open up. This guy is tying his shoe too long. It never helps. Die. No, it's not. This is it. You're the one who was tying your shoe making that being IT. Skip. Ronald McDonald, open the freaking door. If you can't open the door, I break in 3-6. 1, 2, 3. That's what I thought. Ronald McDonald, let that guy go. Shut.
Ronald, you don't have to do this. We could be your friend. And my voice glitched.
No, you got pranked. Ha ha ha. Bro, I was kidding. Cool translation, right? No, I say all of them. That dude didn't. He kept tying his shoes. Welcome. This one is edited sense of copyright or stuff.